Did I hear something? Probably not. Okay. Fucking owned.
Jeg hørte de skud der på dem.
Er det rigtigt?
Så ved du det.
Oh fucking hell. Leave Britney alone.
Jeg kan sige, at du kan se tårnet. Skal jeg lige se, hvor tårnet er henne. Der er mange, der døde der. Jeg ved godt, hvor du er.
Nej.
Jo.
Der er en guitar. Fuck det guitar. Fucking hell.
Jeg tror, det er spottet der.
Det bliver ved et tårn.
Hvad? Bare lidt mod tårnet. Det er festen der.
Fuck man, hånder du mig?
Du skal jo ikke vende jo. Så lister du rigtigt. Hey.
Fuck dig man.
Killer team. Du ser bange ud.
Du er cancer, du er. Du er så cancer. Fuck yeah, nice shot. Nice.
You shot 50 Cent.
Rip Tupac. Tupac and then Tupac, not Tupac.
This guy cheating. He hits every shot. What?
Get wrecked.
Gecko, what the fuck are you doing all the time? Sucking.
But he hit every shot.
Suck a dick.
Couldn't do anything.
Tired of this shit. Can't let this.
Fuck, jeg har så meget fucking lort her.
Hvor var du, Bremen, henne?
Ikke nær end dig, åbenbart. Din troll.
Ja, det var du faktisk.
Whoa! What the fuck?
Skød i hovedet.
3 shots long distance. Man. Oops. Kappa. Damn, oops. That was good. That was good. Okay, sorry about that. Sorry about that. I just tapped down. I had to record that later. That was beautiful. Oh fuck, the radiation. Then suddenly it says, oh my god, the other part of the map, you have to be there. Oh, fucking hell. It goes from the big circle to the small circle way too fast. Way too fast. Instead of just doing it incrementally.
Stop whining. Stop whining. It's only a game.
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad? Oh fuck me. Someone's fucking shooting at me, bro. But I have to go into the circle of healing.
Is this war?
If it's war, it is war.
You need to hit him, faggot.
Okay, what up, mate? What up, mate? You wanna fight, mate? What up, mate? Fuck me, you have to be in the fucking circle. I wanna fight those guys, but... so fucking lame. If the radiation didn't move so fast, there would be more action in the game.
You have to go right. Hvis du gerne vil ind i cirklen.
Se, nu kan man ikke engang se fucking cirklen.
Den er lige foran dig.
Oh my god. Okay, jeg har lyst til at skyde, men jeg skal bare lige ind først.
Der er en til højre for dig, bag stenen.
My ghost.
Rip.
Better than you ran.
Oh man.
2 players remaining.
Where the fuck is the last guy?
You want help?
No, I'm just asking myself.
Hit him.
Yeah. Hope you win, man. I'm gonna play a Dota game with my friends.
Oh no, man. What is the other, what other game?
What?
Like normal Rust or what?
No, I'm gonna play a Dota game, but I...
Fucking owned!
Dota 2.
2 games in a
Dota
row!
2.
Ah man, you're just salty because I own this right now.
Shut the fuck up here, Ben. 1v1 means CSGO in Rust.
Ah, okay. Okay, we're gonna do a like a triathlon, like Counter Strike, Rust. We're gonna do shit.
Yeah. Give him
Oh my god.
He wants the point.